Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to the Sterlinx Global channel. My name is Jay, and I'm one of the account specialists of Sterlinx Global, a UK-based accounting firm specializing in e-commerce and traditional businesses. Thank you for taking the time to be here. For those who are new to our channel, we hope you will find our content enjoyable. Our channel addresses common pain points and challenges that our clients face and provide valuable insights that can help entrepreneurs, self-starters, and freelancers in their businesses. For today's discussion, we will talk about accounting for Shopify stores and whether do you need an accountant. Welcome to the world of e-commerce, where small business owners are turning to online platforms such as Shopify to reach a wider audience and increase their sales. If you're one of them, you might have experienced how Shopify has made it easier to set up a store and customize it according to your preferences. However, when it comes to the Shopify accounting and financial aspects, things might become a bit tricky, especially if you're not an expert in accounting or tax laws. In this video, we'll explore whether you need an accountant for your Shopify store and the benefits of hiring one. Keep watching and discover how you can take your Shopify store to the next level with the help of an accountant. Do you need an accountant for your Shopify store? The answer depends on the complexity of your business and your accounting expertise. If you have a small Shopify store with a low volume of sales and inventory, you may be able to manage your Shopify accounting tasks independently. Shopify provides several built-in accounting features, including sales reports, profit and loss statements, and tax summaries that can help you keep track of your financial performance. However, if your business is growing and your sales and inventory are increasing, managing your finances can become more complex. You may need to track multiple payment methods, reconcile bank statements, manage expenses, and handle payroll. These tasks can be time-consuming and require an in-depth understanding of accounting principles and tax laws. In this case, hiring an accountant can be beneficial, and listed below are the additional reasons why. Number 1. Accurate financial reporting. Accurate financial reporting is crucial for managing your Shopify store, and hiring an accountant can be a game changer. When managing financial records and reporting, accountants are the experts you need. Accountants can set up a reliable system for recording and tracking all your business activities, such as sales, expenses, inventory, payroll, and payments. They can also promptly generate financial reports such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, giving you a clear picture of your store's financial performance. Number 2. Tax compliance. When it comes to tax compliance, an accountant can be an invaluable resource. Accountants are trained professionals who can help you prepare and file your tax returns, ensuring you comply with all relevant tax laws and regulations. They can also advise you on tax planning strategies to minimize tax liability and maximize deductions. Moreover, an accountant can update you on changes to tax laws and regulations that may affect your business. They can help you stay informed and ensure that your business complies with the new tax requirements. Number 3. Cash flow management. An accountant can help you manage your cash flow effectively by setting up a cash flow management system that tracks your cash inflows and outflows. They can analyze your cash flow statements and identify areas where you can improve your cash management. In addition, an accountant can help you develop a cash flow projection, which estimates your future cash inflows and outflows. This can help you anticipate cash shortages and plan for future expenses, such as inventory purchases or marketing campaigns. Furthermore, an accountant can help you identify financing options to support your cash flow needs. They can advise you on whether to pursue a loan or line of credit and help you prepare a business plan and financial statements to support your loan application. There are still 2 more reasons why you need an accountant for your Shopify business, so sit back and keep watching. Number 4. Inventory management. Accountants play a crucial role in inventory management for your Shopify business. They can help you to make informed decisions about inventory levels, monitor product tracking, and implement efficient systems for ordering and tracking inventory. Their accurate financial reporting can also offer insights into inventory trends, such as inventory turnover ratios, gross margins, and days of inventory on hand. In addition, accountants can help your business reduce costs by identifying inefficiencies in inventory management processes. They can recommend ways to optimize inventory levels, reduce waste, and eliminate unnecessary expenses. Number 5. Business growth. As a Shopify store owner, you likely want to grow your business and increase your sales, but growing your business can be challenging and requires careful planning, strategy, and execution. An accountant can help you achieve your business growth goals by providing financial expertise and guidance. They can help you analyze your financial statements or identify areas where you can reduce costs or increase revenue. They can also help develop a financial plan for your business to achieve in a specific period, like key performance indicators or KPIs. Examples of these are gross profit margin, inventory turnover, or your customer acquisition cost. When properly tracked, this can lead you to understand which areas of your business are performing well and which need improvement. Before we end, let us discuss the list of frequently asked questions about why do you need an accountant for your Shopify store. Number 1. Can an accountant help me with bookkeeping for my Shopify store? Yes, an accountant can help you with bookkeeping tasks such as recording transactions, reconciling accounts, and maintaining your general ledger. Number 2. How much does it cost to hire an accountant for my Shopify store? The cost of hiring an accountant will depend on their experience level, the scope of services required, and your business's size and complexity. You can expect to pay anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s per month for accountant services. Number 3. How can I find an accountant for my Shopify store? You can search for an accountant in your local area or look for one who specializes in e-commerce accounting. You can also ask for recommendations from other business owners or check online directories of accounting professionals. Setting up a Shopify online store may not require much effort, but ensuring its profitability demands time, effort, and strong management of finances. As your business expands, it may become necessary to have an accountant. And that's all for today. We hope this video helps you understand why accountants are needed for accounting of your Shopify store. And if you want to get help with accounting for your business, check out Sterlinx Global website at sterlinxglobal.com. If you enjoyed this content and want to learn more about accounting for business, please like the video and subscribe to our media channels. Again, I am Jay of Sterlinx Global, and I will see you at the next one.